Are you planning to travel to France soon? Is this your first time? But you don't know much more information about travel to France. Hello Travel Maniacs. I am Pilla. Welcome to your land. It's the Mania Land. Today our destination will be France, the land of love and romance. In this video, I will tell you 20 things you must know before you travel to France for the first time, so you can have the best trip possible. France is the most visited country on Earth. Do you know how many tourists visited France in 2018? About 90 million tourists. Can you imagine that? It's not just a coincidence, there are so many reasons why so many tourists enjoy traveling to France, including the natural beauty, the amazing climate, outdoor activities such as art museums and galleries, and so much more. Number 1. France location. France is located in the continent of Europe. It is the second largest country in Europe. Number 2. France's nickname is the hexagon. France is sometimes referred to as the hexagon due to its six-sided shape. France is bounded on the north by the North Sea and Belgium, on the northeast by Luxembourg and Germany, on the east by Switzerland and Italy, on the south by the Mediterranean Sea, on the southwest by Andorra and Spain, on the west by the Bay of Biscay and the Atlantic Ocean, and on the northwest by the English Channel. Number 3. France flag. The national flag of France is a tricolor of blue, white, and red vertical stripes. Number 4. The capital of France. It's Paris, the city of light and love. Paris is the most visited city in France. It is located in the Île-de-France region, which is located in the northern central area of France. Number 5. France places to visit. There is so much more in France than the City of Lights. In the next videos, I will tell you the best 100 places to visit in France. Stay tuned. Number 6. Languages in France. The official language in France is French. But many people in France speak at least one other language. Most people who work in the tourism industry speak good English. In Paris and other large cities, lots of people can speak English and are willing to work with you as long as you're polite and not bothering them. If you try elementary French, they really appreciate it, so make sure to learn the essential French phrases and words and keep the important addresses for your hotels in your phone so you can show taxi drivers where you need to go. Number 7. France currency. The currency in France is the euro. The euro is divided into 100 cents. There are notes of 5, 10, 20, 50, 100, 200 and 500 euros. If you are traveling from United States, you can ask your bank to order some euros for you if you want cash in your pocket when you arrive. Ask your home bank if they have a partner bank abroad where you can withdraw cash without fees. Number 8. Credit cards and ATMs in France. You can use your credit card to pay for most of your purchases. Just try to find the CB logo, which stands for Carte Bleue Visa MasterCard, outside a French shop window. This logo means the shop should take an international Visa or MasterCard credit card. But American Express cards are not nearly as commonly accepted in France. You will struggle to find places that accept American Express around France. ATMs are so easy to find. Number 9. Tipping in France. Tipping in France is a little different than it is in the United States. At restaurants, there is no need to add an additional tip if the service charge covers what Americans would normally add as a tip. At cafes, just a small tip is welcome, around 10% for good service. Number 10. Weights and measures in France. The metric system is the legal standard in France. Number 11. Plugs in France. In France, there are two plug types, Type C and Type E. The standard voltage is 230 volt, and the standard frequency is 50 Hz. Don't forget to buy a universal adapter and use a converter for hair dryers and hot tools. Number 12. Time in France. France is 6 hours ahead of Washington, United States. Number 13. France climate. There are three types of climate within France: oceanic, continental, and Mediterranean. The oceanic climate is found in the western parts of the country. It has small temperature range, cool summers, and really very cold winters. The continental type of climate is found over much of eastern and central France. It is characterized by warmer summers and colder winters than areas farther west. The Mediterranean climate is found in the south of France. It is characterized by cool winters and limited rainfall. Number 14. The French food. France is well known for its cuisine. So, you'll probably want to indulge in the French food culture when you're visiting France for the first time. The typical French meal offers 3 to 4 courses, which includes cheese before dessert. All meals are accompanied by freshly baked breads. One of the most important facets of French food culture is taking the time to fully enjoy every meal. So give yourself time to immerse yourself in every food experience, even if that means spending over an hour at lunch. Number 15. The French people. People in France are courteous and very formal. They are also known for being chic, fashionable and cautious of the appearance. Number 16. The French schedule. When you travel to France, you'll discover that dining, shopping, and sightseeing must bend to the French schedule. In small towns, all shops, banks, and businesses close for 2 hours for lunch. So, keep the schedule in mind when planning your itinerary, so you don't accidentally visit a shop or restaurant at the wrong time. This will help you get the most out of your trip and not miss anything. Number 17. Transportation in France. France has a fabulous public transportation system. Public transportation in Paris consists of the metro and overground trams. There are lots of metro stops throughout Paris, making it the most convenient travel option within the city. If you're traveling outside of Paris, there are lots of trains that can take you all over the country. If you don't want to take the train, there are lots of low-cost bus companies that can take you around France. Traveling around by car offers freedom, flexibility and a ticket to rural France. There are also several car rental companies in France if you want to drive yourself. Number 18. Visa for traveling to France. If you're an American, you don't need a visa to travel to France as long as you're there for less than 90 days. You just need your USA passport that will not expire for at least 6 months. Number 19. France dialing code. The dialing code for the country is 33. Number 20. What to pack. Before traveling to France, don't forget to pack these things: walking shoes, adapter for France's 2-pin plugs, French phrasebook, French city guides, detailed road map, raincoat and umbrella, particularly for Paris and northern climes, sunscreen and mosquito repellent, particularly for southern France. I hope these tips have you feeling excited about visiting France for the first time. And now it is your turn. Let me know if you have any questions before you travel to France for the first time. Find us on our website, manialand.com, Facebook page, Mania Land, on Pinterest, Mania Land, on Instagram, Mania Land 2020. And sure, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell below this video to watch the next episodes of the France travel series. Stay tuned.